Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by getting your Kaggle API token and installing tools. First, download Kaggle, JSON from your account, then pip install Kaggle in the same environment your Jupyter uses. Once done, move Kaggle, JSON into the /. Kaggle folder and set permissions to 600 so the CLI can authenticate. Now open your notebook, verify import Kaggle works, and run a quick Kaggle datasets list command to confirm access before downloading the dataset you need. You'll use the Kaggle CLI to fetch and unzip the files directly into your notebook workspace. Run Kaggle datasets download owner /dataset p/data unzip. Next, use Python's OS or pathlib to construct portable paths and avoid hard-coded strings. This makes notebooks reproducible. Then load files with pandas read CSV, inspect df, head for structure, df, info for types and missing data, and df, describe for quick stats. Make sure to close large files or stream them if memory is limited. You'll finish by cleaning and exporting your dataset for analysis or sharing. Perform NaN handling, dtype conversions, date parsing, and reduce size by sampling or using chunked reads. Once stable, save to CSV or faster formats like Parquet so subsequent runs are quick. If you want to attach results to a Kaggle notebook, push or upload the cleaned file. If something fails, first recheck Kaggle, JSON location and file permissions, then restart the notebook kernel and retry the Kaggle CLI authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.